Imagine feeling invisible in your own family. The other day, and my cousin yard, me never ever know. My mama bring him to the table and introduce him to everybody. And she never introduced me. Me have to say me one name like me a new face na me one bloodline. Then smile after like it never hurt. I guess me a black sheep of this a family, yeah. Later she asked me if I go check my father and my brother house. 45 minutes down the road. Me think her family I draw closer. But I no connection at all. I just she a stop by fin cooking. She look upon me like me as something temporary when me ready to leave and say she no rush. She a visit her son. Me live 5 minutes from her, but she never step foot in her for me house. Only one time she come near. And even that, he never ever feel like she have her presence there. I fear knock instead of love. And if me did a struggle, she never stay, she never sit down, she never ask, she just leave. Me always get treated different. Like love have a condition me can't meet. Everybody else get grace. Me get survival. Just suck it up, she say. Move on, she say. But how you supposed to move on from feeling like you know belong to a place where you come from? It's when me did lose my job. Them never hold me. Them reduce me. Like value disappear like the moment life get hard. Me watch her look upon me like me a stranger and me one story. Like me invisible. Like me and her a picnic. And me tired. Tired of being the black sheep in a flock where me never learn my name. Tired of being present but never fully seeing the same. And even in a this silence, even in a this hate me carry, me I learn something deeper than pain where they hand me. Cause maybe being the black sheep never mean me less. Maybe it just mean me different in a place where you couldn't understand love, right? So me not go shrink myself no more fi fit in a room where never meant fi hold me right. Me, I not go stop and beg fi have a seat at a table where I dim my light. Cause if man overlook me, me know heaven never will overlook me. And if me never seen in a place where me call me home, me fully know where matter the most. So me I go rise, not bitter, but aware, not broken, but becoming, not invisible, but finally realizing me never the problem. Me was the one who survived, being treated like me different no matter, and still me choose to stay soft. Me never just the black sheep. Me was the one where God never stop see and never stop love and have a hand palm me.